Sometimes the feature which is looking really simple that need a lot of engineering work. Yes, I'm talking about LinkedIn have 1.2 billion plus registered user. Now when we search anything in LinkedIn, at that time we can see whether that person is the first connection, second connection or third connection. So in backend, how generally LinkedIn show this information how that person is connected to me. So in LinkedIn, each and every person is connected to each other. It's like a graph. Every person is a node, and if there is any connection at that time, there will be edge between these two nodes, right? So for that reason, in backend they use graph database. Now in all over the world, a lot of connection is there. Is it possible to store the all information in one particular database, graph database? No. So for that reason they have multiple replica of the database, and in all those replica there will be some portion of the graph, some portion of the graph in this way. Now how just show whether a person is first connection, second connection or third connection? So generally they pre-calculate the second connection and store it in a cache layer. So this generally served from the cache itself who are your second connection, like friend of friend. Now if the cache miss happens, at that time you need to fire the real query to the database. Now the database is have multiple chunks or multiple replica, so you need to trigger the query to all the databases. So multiple number of database call, it is slow enough. So for that reason they use one of the very clever algorithm. It's called set cover algorithm. From this algorithm, let's say there are 1,000 replica. Now the data that you need actually, that is there possible to get it from only 10 database. At that time, instead of querying all the 1,000 database, this algorithm will tell you which 10 database you can query to fetch the whole data that you need.